Welcome to Cisco Packet Tracer tutorial number 10. Today we'll be using the ping command to identify incorrect configuration on a PC. So first what I'm going to do is verify the connectivity on each PC. So I'll start with PC 4, click once, go to desktop, web browser, and what I'm going to do is see if the PC will connect to the web server. So I'm going to type in ciscolearn.more.com, and I'm just going to wait for that to see if it connects. Okay, don't seem to be getting anything, so I'll move on to the next one. Go to desktop, web browser. I'll go to ciscolearn.more.com. Okay, got nothing from that. Do it with the next one. ciscolearn.more.com. Okay, so it doesn't look like any of the web browser working, so I'm going to click out of there. It's not connecting to the web server, so now what I'm going to do is ping the web server. So I'll start with PC2, and then I'm going to go into the command prompt, and I'm going to type in ping ciscolearn.more.com. And I'm just going to wait to see if we get a reply. Okay, so it doesn't look like we get anything from there, so I'm going to go to PC1 and do the same thing. I'm going to go to desktop, command prompt. I'm going to ping 192. Oops, sorry. I'm going to ping ciscolearn.more.com. Okay, so we get a reply from there. So now I'm going to ping the IP address of the web server from PC2. So go back to PC2, go to command prompt, and I'm going to ping 192.15.2.10. Okay, so we get a reply from there. So what that means, now that PC2 is able to reach the web server via IP address, this could indicate a problem with the DNS server configuration on PC2. So now we're going to compare the DNS server information on PC2 with other PCs on the network. So on PC1, I'm going to click out of here, go to PC1, command prompt, ipconfig/all, hit enter. And I'm going to examine the DNS server configuration. So you can see here that the DNS 192.15.2.5, and we're going to look on PC2 and do the same thing, ipconfig/all, and DNS servers 191.15.2.5. So you see there's error right there. There was a 191 instead of a 192. So what I'm going to do is go into the config tab, go to DNS server, hit 2, X out of that, and now I'm going to go to back to PC2, go to desktop, web browser. I'm going to type in the URL, website or ciscolearn.more.com, and there we go, the website comes up, so that means it works.